Hello friends, today we have pork patties with squash and cabbage. Are you ready for this wonderful and tasty recipe? Let's go.
Set the oven to 425 degrees. Get the ingredients ready. Cut yellow squash into half moons. Chop some cabbage, pumpkin seeds, Parmesan cheese, cumin seeds, and some spice blend. Place ground pork in a bowl and season it with a chili spice, salt, and pepper. Mix thoroughly to evenly distribute those seasonings. Form the pork into 2 patties. Now you're going to heat the cooking oil over medium heat. Once pan is hot, add both patties, sear for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Transfer to a lightly oiled baking sheet and roast for 5 minutes. Now, heat about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil over medium heat. Add your squash to the hot pan, season with the remaining spice blend, salt and pepper, and cook for about 5 minutes until golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon of butter, cook for another minute until butter melts. Stir frequently. Now heat about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil on the same pan used for those patties over medium heat. Add your pumpkin seeds to the hot pan and season with the cumin seeds and cook until the seeds are lightly toasted. Add cabbage and cook for another 4 minutes. Remove from heat. It is time to plate our dish. Add the pork patty with the sautéed yellow squash. Add the sautéed cabbage with pumpkin seeds. Drizzle some ají verde sauce and garnish with the remaining cheese. Ooh, we need a 360 on that plate. Oh yeah. Now it's time to sit and enjoy this meal. There has never been, nor will there ever be, anything quite so special as the love between a mother and a son. I'm thankful for this meal, but most importantly, thankful for my son Jacob. Until next time, friends.